to another video. As of the moment, we are on our way to El Nido, Palawan. It's like 4 in the morning here. Join us on this small adventure. See you later. Bus ride going to the plane. So this is our second trip going out of Manila. First one was Singapore, and then this one. It's just a domestic flight. I think it's an hour and 45 minutes of plane ride.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The bus is about to move. For those standing passengers, kindly hold on tight to the handrails or swing for your own safety. Thank you.
Hey! Here's where. Hello! Good morning!
Sir, seat number is 42.
Okay. Thank you.
Please study the safety cards in front of you. Smoking is not allowed during this entire flight. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoy this flight with AirSwift.
Okay na ba yung... Oh, yes, kuya. Oh, kawaii. Hello. Hey! Dito na po kami. Lime Resort here in El Nido, Palawan. Total number of hours to get here is hour and 5 minutes. Van ride from the airport going here is another 25 minutes. So roughly 2 hours for you to get here. Oh, we're at Lime Resort right now. So, finished doing that check-in. Pero mamaya pa kami papayagang pumasok by 11. So, hanap muna ng pagkain. So, it's water eat time, brunch. Something extra flavor.
Parang chicken.
Oh yeah, it's almost 9. Brunch, I think. Wala kami kain, wala tulog, wala lahat.
Okay, ito ulam natin. Okay, ito na.
Anong oras yung check-in natin? 12? 12, right?
12 papalinis pa.
Papalinis pa lang.
Sa mga 1 siguro.
12. It's probably 1 p.m. So, first experience in El Nido.
Oh!
So, yeah. So, this is our ulam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan.
With 6 rice.
And then 6 rice.
We got 6.
Okay. So, we're headed to the pool upstairs. Walang aircon. El Nido in Palawan in the Philippines. So one of the famous tourist spots here in the country. And as the moment, I just finished doing some drone shots. So I hope you enjoy it. So we're on our second day here at El Nido, Palawan. I had a very weird story to tell you guys. I thought I lost this camera that I'm using right now. It wasn't turning on last night, and I just figured that it just froze up. So I'm just glad I was able to still revive it. And look, yeah, that's the view today. Look, we are headed to 5 spots today to explore, which is part of the tour package that we got. And I don't know how much they paid for it because I wasn't part of the planning committee. But yeah, let's see what this place has to offer. So hope you join us on this trip. So again, day 2 here in Palawan. Okay. Route. Rock. Island hopping today. Kami. Oh, it's time to go na. Look, Mickey boy! May kayak oh. Nice. Yan, si Kuya ang aming guide.
Hello, good morning! Yep! Okay. Life jacket tayong lahat ha, life jacket!
Oh, life jacket daw, life jacket. Krishana. Ako life. Let's go.
Captain! Alvin!
Hey.
One of the pioneer captain here in El Nido. Yeah.
Now we're on our way to our first destination.
May tingin na dati dito na balik. Nakatingin. Yo, bigay.
So let's see where this takes us, but I'm definitely sure it's gonna be good.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko muna kayong batay ng good morning!
Good morning! Woo!
Wala niya na Jamie ba? Okay, once more, good morning!
Good morning!
Alright, good morning ma'am sir. So welcome El Nido and welcome aboard MPCA Boat Christiana number 2. So ma'am sir, siyempre papakilala ko muna ang aming team at siyempre po ang aming mga kasama. Okay? So ako po, siyempre po muna palakpakan natin si Kapitan Alvin. At siyempre po ang aming pong boat crew si Kuya Ani. Good morning Kuya Ani. At siyempre may tatlo po kayong tour guide ngayon. Okay? So ang unang po si Kuya Jan. Good morning sir. At siyempre po si Kuya Christian. Opo. At siyempre po ako po si Kuya Flor. Okay? Capital F-L-O-R or Success on the floor. Punta na po tayo ng first stop, 7 Commando. Sa travel lang tayo ng 10 to 15 minutes. Commando kasi po 1979 mayroon pong na-stranded na napakalaki pong cargo vessels po rito during po ng illegal logging po ng Palawan. So ang pangalan po ng cargo ship na po yun ay 7 Commando, kaya tinawag po siyang 7 Commando. Ng beach na to ay Ipil Beach. So yung Ipil naman ay hango sa pangalan ng puno ng kahoy.
So 7 Commandos Beach here in El Nido. Though it's raining, but it's nice. Woo! Yeah. First destination, and so nice. Look. We are headed back to the boat, and our boat is Christiana 2. Okay, so first destination is good. Yeah. So balik na kami ulit. We're going back to the boat. Headed to the second spot.
So after po ng 7 Commando, yung pangalawa po, Big Lagoon na po tayo. So yung Big Lagoon ang pinaka-highlights po ng tour natin ngayon. Okay? So yung Big Lagoon ay pinaka-magandang lagoon dito po sa El Nido. So, kailangan lang po nating magkayak kung magre-rent ng kayak papunta sa loob ng Big Lagoon. So, may dalawang klase ng kayak po doon. So, 300 po yung pangdalawahan. So, mayroon naman pong tatlo o panghapatan. Depende po yun sa bigat. Or pwede pong bata yung isa para kumbasya kayong apat. Kaya 500 naman po yun.
So, we're headed to Big Lagoon, second destination.
May nahuli kami eh. Video natin, video. Fishing El Nido style. Yan. May ano pala yan ha. Naka-trolling yan ha. Laban yan. Oh, siyempre. Yun! Ayun! Uy!
Fresh from the sea.
Ayos! Galing!
Good morning po and welcome po sa aming second destination or second stop. Ito po ay outside pa lang ng Big Lagoon. Yung Big Lagoon po doon banda. Kikita yun yung maraming kayak doon. So yung way lang para makarating sa loob ay dito po sa Big Lagoon ay mandatory mag-life jacket tayo lahat. Okay?
Okay. Look at the place. So beautiful. Second spot at the Big Lagoon. Oh, say hi. Oh, hi muna, hi muna, hi muna. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi. Big Lagoon. Yeah, picture taking the moon. Picture taking. We're done. This is the Big Lagoon. The best. Off to the next destination.
So Island, okay? Yes. Sibiso Island, and that's our lunch here.
Okay.
But we travel time take more or less 10 to 15 minutes. Let's go!
Off to Simiso Island. Yeah. Oh, so this is our second spot, Umbrella Beach. This is where we are going to take our lunch. Okay, so done with lunch. We are headed to our next destination. Hindi ko alam kung saan, but syempre, another awesome. Done with the hidden lagoon. Last and final destination, snorkeling.
If you're loving today, so you can see the sea turtle,
Oh,
lion, and
Oh.
penguin.
really?
Bawal lang po pumunta tayo sa beach, private property po yan, from Ayala Resort po. Snorkeling lang po talaga tayo dito.
Okay, so sa gilid lang talaga tayo. Alright, so yun. This is our day 2 with the tour that we had set up. Yeah, it's been good. Panalo. Natin kay Kuya Flor and his crew, yung sila sa best experience so far. It's our first time going out for our tour, Island Hop. So bukas ulit.